My name is Joe Moore. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at INS. And basically my job is to make sure that the value that we're providing is aligned with the expectations and needs of our customers and partners. And my job really is to effectively make sure that we are set up to help our customers realize the value that we present. And there's a lot of pieces to that. So the INS mission is a question that I love to answer. And for me, it's really two things. The first one is the opportunity to learn. Because networks touch pretty much every vertical industry, you could be climbing around on an oil rig one day, you could be walking through a manufacturing plant the next, you could see how they're making trains and controlling highways the day after that. All of those different technologies we get a taste of because they all need help with the network, and the curiosity and learning aspect of it I love. And then probably the biggest thing is really how we can help people, right? We talk about mission critical networking. If somebody has a network that's down or it's not running optimally and they're responsible for keeping a production floor running, they could be losing hundreds of thousands of dollars an hour, right? We have the ability to help that person solve that business problem and get their line back up and running. The best advice I could give companies that are looking to upgrade or modernize their connectivity is to think about it from a standpoint of what do they want it to be able to do 3 to 5 years from now, not just today, because that'll help inform them on a strategy to make sure they have a network that can support their goals. If I'd like people to know one thing about INS, it's that we can help you do your job better by providing you a very reliable, very purpose-built solution for your networking infrastructure.